Alright, here we go again, and this time we are doing one of my favorites. Super delicious caprese salad. We start by slicing these tomatoes, quite thin pieces, and leave those things out of it. I'm not so sure if these are thin slices or what, but these are good, like this. Okay, then you slice your mozzarella, and when I say this is simple, I mean this is super simple but absolutely delicious salad. All you need is tomato slices, some mozzarella, fresh basil, salt, black pepper, and a bit of balsamico dressing. So then we put these somehow beautifully here. I think this won't be the prettiest one, but nevertheless it's going to be delicious. Let's put that one tomato piece in that center point. Alright, then we add a pinch of salt in it, about a teaspoon. And then I love to put lots and lots of black pepper here, like that. And we finish it with some balsamico sauce. Like that. And some fresh basil. Lots of it on top. Yeah, here we go. Like I said, it's not probably the prettiest, but this is absolutely delicious stuff. And of course we have to taste it and see what we have done. Yeah, super good. Oh, look at that beauty. So delicious. I think I have to eat it.